Hey, all right. So we're looking at my chest here, and if you kind of get a little closer, maybe a little zoom, you can see this kind of colored pocket of some kind of cyst sac, maybe an old one, maybe an ingrown hair. If I kind of add some pressure behind it, you kind of see it. Kind of tries to retract a bit, but I'm going to extract this little sucker. Doing this one-handed, so let's see how it goes. Let's just get in there. Okay, oh, already oozing, so yeah, it's an oily one. Whoa, off to the races. Okay, so just clean that up. Let's try to see if we can get any more juice out of it. Yeah, look at that. Ooh, it's a geyser. Let's see if there's any more hidden in there. Oh, you can see it kind of bubbling. When you extract quite a bit of it and there's a pocket in there, some air comes in after the extraction, and then you can kind of sometimes hear it bubble. All right, that was probably most of it, but sweet, that was an easy one. Cool, see ya.